As you're heading out the door right now, you're noticing those mainly clear skies, but we'll notice more clouds streaming in through the day today. Out ahead of our next system, that's a system bringing a chance for a few showers late tonight, but it looks like the bulk of the rain does hold off to at least tomorrow. Now, I know it's not ideal to have rain showers over the weekend, but we certainly do need the rain. We also will be seeing some rain chances Sunday, but it looks like it holds off for at least most of the day. It's later on in the day that we'll see a cold front swinging through, and that'll fire up that threat for some showers and a rumble of thunder as well. Temperatures out there right now starting off right at the 60-degree mark in D.C. We're also low 60s Fredericksburg as well as Lexington Park. We did just drop back down to the upper 50s at the top of this hour in Hagerstown. We're 59 in Winchester, low 50s Leesburg, some 40s on the map. Seeing that in Manassas, Woodstock, Luray, as well as Culpeper, right around 50 Cumberland and Kaiser at this hour. Now let's talk about satellite and radar. Noticing a few clouds streaming in from the south and west, mainly south of 66 is where we are seeing at least a few of those clouds pushing in. It's also see with the system that's churning down towards parts of Tennessee. Now this system will continue to move its way closer towards our area and will provide us with that threat for those rain chances for at least the first half of the weekend. Second half of the weekend associated with the system back out towards the Midwest. Trying to plan out the rest of your Friday though. Temperatures by about 7 a.m. right around 60. We're mid 70s by 11 a.m. By 3 p.m. we're tracking more of those clouds building in and those temperatures climb back into the low to mid 80s later on this afternoon. So still feeling summery out there to round out the work week, but you will notice more of those clouds today as opposed to what we saw yesterday. Yesterday we saw the sun-filled skies and very warm temperatures. Today will be a touch cooler than what we saw yesterday, and we'll see those winds mainly out of the southeast. We'll start to notice that easterly wind later on this evening down towards southeasternmost parts of Maryland. So it may even be a little bit cooler across that way, especially in those locations closer to the water. By about 7 p.m. a chance for a few splotches of green on the radar, meaning we could be dealing with a couple of those sprinkles late tonight. A few of those streaming in through the overnight hours into early tomorrow morning. And as we look ahead towards your Saturday, again, we're looking at the mainly cloudy conditions. Chance for a few showers right about 7 a.m. and then we do see some dry times before another batch of some showers start to pop up by midday, and then those continue to move their way from west to east across the region by about 5 p.m. We're looking right along the 95 corridor. Some of these showers could contain some rumbles of thunder as well. So that's something to keep in mind for your outdoor plans. Both weekend days, when thunder roars, head indoors, allow that thunderstorm to pass, and then you can head outside once it's safe to do so. Temperatures starting off on Sunday, mid-upper 50s to right about 60, and then we should see those temperatures climbing back low 80s on Sunday afternoon. So we're going from the low 80s today to upper 70s Saturday, back into low 80s on Sunday. Likely starting off with that sunshine, a little bit of that clearing early Sunday, and then we'll see that threat for some rain showers later on in the day associated with a cold front back out towards the west. But here's a view of early Sunday. We do have that trough still lingering from Saturday's rain chances, but then looking at towards Sunday, we do have that warm front lifting. That will usher in a little bit of that warmth, and then we see that threat for some scattered showers and maybe a rumble of thunder or two later on in the day on Sunday. Here's a view of the rest of that 7-day outlook. Low 80s today, 70s Saturday, low 80s on Sunday, back in the 70s, so a little bit cooler Monday, even cooler Tuesday before we warm things up by the end of that 7-day. Tosin, how are those roadways out there?